Have you ever wanted to travel the world, write about your experiences, and get paid? In this course, we will take you from being a novice writer to a career in travel writing. My name is Kevin Burns, and I've been a travel writer now for over 30 years. I've written for the Vancouver Sun, Japan Today, and my own travel blog, iamhalconi.com. From this course, you will improve your writing, learn how to edit and pitch, know how to contact editors, and be able to become a travel writer. The topics covered will be the first steps to travel writing, some common mistakes that writers make, ending procrastination, and improving your creativity. The ideal student is a novice writer who wants to become a travel writer or digital nomad. There are no requirements for the course, but you should be open to new experiences and have an interest in travel and other cultures. Please see the course description, and I look forward to seeing you inside.